Hello my beautiful fans, welcome back to another video. Today I'm sharing a makeup tutorial, a tutorial that I filmed about 3 or 4 months ago and didn't have the time to edit it for you guys, but it's here now. I have it all ready to go. So yeah, if you're new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Mattie and I do all things beauty, and I'm also doing my lifestyle vlogs as well. And to all of my old subscribers, thanks for tuning back in with me today. So today I'm here to share this beautiful look you can wear for either in the fall or winter, but at the time I filmed it, it was a little cool weather. So yeah, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So I can't really remember what items that I used. I will try to link some of the items down below, but hey, this has been quite some time when I filmed it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel, and also click on that post notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload any videos. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys finish watching this video, and I will talk to you guys really soon.